Today is the 2nd of December. Yay! That means there are only 23 days to go until Christmas. And because it's the 2nd day of December, we get to open another door from our Advent calendar.
Yeah.
Kids, why don't you open the second door of your Advent calendar too? Okay, so where is number 2? We have to find number 2. Where is number 2, you think? Number 1. It's number 3. I found number 2. It's right over there.
Oh.
Can you open it? Do you need my help?
Yes, I think there's more monopolies.
Okay. Why don't you help the gift that we got yesterday? Hold it for me.
I think I'm going to squish it.
Ooh, I wonder what this is. Okay, open it. Ooh. What's in that? Can you get it?
No, I'm going to squeeze it out.
Oh, I think we got a train track.
This one is yes.
Oh.
I found none.
So yesterday we got a gift. And today we got a train track. I'm so excited what we're gonna get tomorrow, aren't you?
Yeah.
How about you, kids? Did you also open the second door of your Advent calendar? Leave us a comment below and tell us what you got. In the meantime, we'll have to wait until tomorrow to get our third surprise.
I think tomorrow is ready.
Yeah, we're gonna have to wait until tomorrow, yeah? In the meantime, see you again tomorrow. Bye! Subscribe for more videos, and if you like this one, give it a thumbs up and share.